Hey guys, welcome back to Arie Amore's makeup room. I am back with another video. We are doing a fall cut crease, guys, using the same Juvia's palette from the other video. And I am just loving this look. It's so natural, it's fun, it's bold, and it will get you through any day during the fall season, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We are going to go ahead back into this chocolate palette by Juvia's Place, guys. This actually is starting to be my favorite palette, although I have so many of her different palettes. But this one here, I love it for just natural looks. I love it. I'm going to go right in with both of those dark chocolate shades, and we're going to go straight into the cut crease and just really build everything up. One of my favorite things about this palette is it's so pigmented, like literally it goes on very smooth. It's nice and it's full, it's airy. I just love everything about this. And it does feel very moisturizing, if that makes sense. Hopefully it does. Next, I'm going to go back over top with that lighter brown, guys. This is more like what's a good color? More of like an almond brown, and I just love how it just blends and buff everything out. This is just a really beautiful combination. I did the same technique in my last video, and I just realized that I love this combination together. So I'm taking that into the crease of my nose, up into the eyebrow, and I'm just trying to make a nice little buff out look for you guys. Now I decided to go into this metallic from the Juvia's palette as well. Okay. We're going to put that right into our cut crease, guys. You did not get to see me actually do the cut crease. I just skipped over that part for the sake of time, because there's other videos on this channel that actually shows me doing a cut crease full out. But I feel like it's self-explanatory, and I'm hoping I'm not saying that in the wrong way. But yeah, so we're applying that metallic with a flat brush and just going in and getting everything nice and smooth and packed on. This just gave the look an extra umph, you know, like umph. It gave the look an extra umph. Then I went back into with both of those darker browns and just blend everything in together. Next, we're going to go into this brown here, and we are about to outline these lips, baby. A lot of people don't know that you can use your eyeshadow on your lips, and it actually lasts a lot longer compared to using like the sticks and liners and stuff that actually go on your lips. Like, it just rubs off too fast. This in particular, you get to really play with shades. You get to really just do what you want. And this brown, baby, this almond brown, it did everything it needed to do. Like, I just love it. Look at that. I told y'all her palettes are very pigmented. Like, you can just do so much. Like, you can't beat this. Okay, this is for the girls. Now I'm going to use my NYX Butter Lip Gloss. This is like pink. I don't know what it's called. I don't really remember. I don't have it on me right now. But baby, we're just going to put that on and gloss up these lips. Sometimes when you gloss your lips, you can go in with a setting powder to kind of mattify it again. But I did not do that for this look. I just left it nice and glossy, guys. And let me take this ponytail out, baby, and check. Baby, my locks are evolving. But this look is everything. This look is everything. I want the ladies to try it, okay? And I just want to thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm still learning. I'm still growing. But I am happy to be here. Guys, this look is gorgeous on me. I'm so satisfied. Until next time, bye, guys.